RDDT stock. Is this thing a buy or not? In this 1 minute video, I'm giving you my exact play and outlook on Reddit stocks. So Reddit INC stock sitting at 57.50. We're 11% down. Um, this is a very, very, I mean, overall bullish looking stock. We don't have that much data, but before I get into it, again, context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. But yeah, looking at Reddit, um, this is a very beautiful bullish stock. Like I said, one way that I would also approach this is if the price came into my zone and then started giving me the rules. It never gave me the rules, which is fine. Like I never took a trade here, So just onto the next overall demand area, and it starts from somewhere around here. So same thing, but like the only way that I'm for me to take a trade, like all things, like three things need to happen simultaneously, which is the trend, it taps in the zone, and then it gives me my wyckoff accumulation, which is just a simple double break on the lower time frame. That's the only way that I'm really going to be bullish. And now when people just like watch the video without any audio or just they look a picture, they're going to be like, oh, he's wrong, he never did that. The only way for me to really take a trade here is if the price pulls back in the zone and then gives me the rules, and I'm just giving you my idea on it. So definitely going to keep you updated. Take a look at the first link in the description for a lot more value and resources.